Hi, I'm Paul Hales. I'm owner of Theory Professional, Theory Audio Design. We're here at ISE 2025, and among other things that we're showing, we are previewing a new model called the sb210aw. It's a larger brother of our sb25aw, which has been shipping for a couple years. The main claim to fame is it's very high output, but very, very shallow. So the whole speaker has two 10-inch woofers and a 6-inch coaxial driver in the middle, but the total depth is only 4.8 inches, or in Europe speak, 122 millimeters, right? But capable of 130 dB. So very high output, very highly resolved, very high fidelity, but very compact and shallow. So it can tuck up against the wall, it can be mounted to the ceiling, it can kind of go everywhere and do everything, including outdoors. If you want to learn more, just go to theoryprofessional.com. Thank you.